Akwụkwọ na-asọ ụsọ, ọ na-afịa arụ na mmụta. Onye nwere nkasi obi, ọ ga-amụta akwụkwọ. Ma ọ bụrụ na nne gị na nna gị nwee ego, ma ọ bụrụ na nne gị na nna gị nwee ego. In today's video, we're going to be learning about Igbo word family, Ezinụlọ. Family, Ezinụlọ. So in today's video, the game or the goal is to learn how to make sentences in Igbo, some Igbo phrases using sentences, of course, tips and other things that can help you to improve your Igbo vocabulary. And they say family is everything, right? Yes. And we use most words from this I'm going to say today when relating to family, sentences and all. So, let's go. Nke a bụ ezinụlọ nkịta. Nke a bụ ezinụlọ nkịta. Or you can say nke a bụ ezinụlọ Chioma. This is Chioma's family. This is Chioma's family. Nke a bụ ezinụlọ Chioma. This is Chioma's family. Ezinụlọ nọ n'ụra. Ezinụlọ nọ n'ụra. Ezinụlọ nọ n'ụra. Ezinụlọ nọ n'ụra. This family is sleeping. This family is sleeping, and things have left them, you know. And of course, God, they are still sleeping. Ezinụlọ nọ n'ụra. Ezinụlọ nọ n'ime ụgbọala. Ezinụlọ nọ n'ime ụgbọala. Ezinụlọ nọ n'ime ụgbọala. Ezinụlọ nọ n'ime ụgbọala. This family are inside the car. Ezinụlọ amaka. Ezinụlọ amaka. Ezinụlọ amaka. Ezinụlọ amaka. Ezinụlọ amaka. This family is beautiful. This family is beautiful. That's what it means. Ezinụlọ ebuka. Ezinụlọ ebuka. Ezinụlọ ebuka. This family is big, basically. Example, extended family, right? This family is big. Ezinụlọ ebuka. Ezinụlọ ebuka. I say una growing up from Anambra. I say una, but uno, they are still basically the same thing. So in case you hear me say una, I'm saying the same thing as well, okay? Ezinụlọ nọ na udo. Ezinụlọ nọ na udo. Ezinụlọ nọ n'udo. Ezinụlọ nọ na udo. Ezinụlọ nọ n'udo. Ezinụlọ nọ na udo. This family is peaceful. This family are living in peace. Ezinụlọ enweghị nsogbu. Ezinụlọ enweghị nsogbu. Ezinụlọ enweghị nsogbu. This family, they don't have any problem. They are easygoing family. They don't have like stress. They don't like to stress someone. They don't like to be stressed as well. They don't have problem, you know. Everything good for them. Everything good goes for them. Let me put it that way. They don't have problem. Yeah, they're not problematic family. You go what I mean. If you have had a neighbor that is troublesome, you understand when you say this family is not troublesome. That's it. There's no one enweghị nsogbu. You understand it more. Okay? Ezinụlọ na-amụli mgbe niile. Ezinụlọ na-amụli mgbe niile. Ezinụlọ na-amụli mgbe niile. Ezinụlọ na-amụli mgbe niile. This family is always laughing, they're always happy, they're always smiling, they're always giving positive vibes, they're always smiling, they're happy. Ezinụlọ na-amụli mgbe niile. They are happy all the time, they're smiling all the time. That is what it means. Ezinụlọ bi na udo. Ezinụlọ bi na udo. Ezinụlọ bi na udo. Ezinụlọ bi na udo. This one is basically used most times when newly married couple, they're not fighting, there is no agreement, there is, you know, some people, when you live in public compound, you know now, when they fight and come out, tear their clothes and stuff like that. But they are living in peace. Habina Udo. Ezinụlọ Udo. The husband and the wife, they understand each other. They don't fight. Even when they want to fight, it's not the type that involves people around. It's just normal fighting in the house, like. But 90% they do things peacefully. Ezinụlọ Udo. The both couple, they are living in peace. Habina Udo. They are living in peace. So guys, that is it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've seen all of my videos. Guys, if you don't know, I have been posting videos every blessed day, and I need your support. If you have subscribed, please share to another person to subscribe as well, and please like this video, because when you like it, YouTube recommends it to other people. I have so many videos on my channel that relates to phrases and tips and sentences in making Igbo language easy for you to learn and using the vocabulary as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I drop videos every 5 p.m. in the evening. Check my channel and you'll see what I'm saying is 100% correct. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.